Tonight, allow your thoughts to slow down. Imagine Earth, not as a noisy world of cities in motion, but as a calm, ancient sphere, floating silently through space. From orbit, the planet appears peaceful. Clouds drift slowly. Oceans glow faintly blue. Continents rest in quiet balance. Yet beneath this calm surface, deep below the ground, Earth is never truly still. Heat moves slowly through the mantle. Rock bends, almost imperceptibly. Water carves stone, grain by grain. These movements are not sudden. They are gentle, measured not in seconds, but in millions of years. Tonight, we will follow these slow processes, the ones that shaped Earth's greatest geological wonders, not through chaos, but through patience. Grand Canyon, time written in stone. The Grand Canyon stretches across the desert of Arizona. Vast, silent, timeless. At first glance, it appears frozen. A landscape locked in place. But the canyon is not a monument to stillness. It is a record of motion, written by water. Long ago, this land slowly rose upward. Not violently, not suddenly. As the plateau lifted, the Colorado River adjusted. It flowed faster, cut deeper. Day after day, year after year, the river removed tiny fragments of stone, millimeter by millimeter, century by century. The walls of the canyon reveal layers of time. Each color, each line,
the boundary between the Triassic
different
and the
world.
Jurassic is clearly visible here.
Warm seas that vanished.
This cross-section reveals
Ancient
the Earth's
deserts
crust,
turned to
showing
rock.
distinct layers of beige and
River
brown
deltas
strata.
buried by age. To walk along the canyon rim is to stand above nearly 2 billion years of Earth's memory. Nothing here was rushed. Nothing was forced. The Grand Canyon exists because time was allowed to do its work. Mount Everest, the slow rise of mountains. Far from deserts, beyond clouds and thin air, the Himalayas rise, and among them, Mount Everest, the tallest point on Earth.
This visualization tracks
Silent,
the movement of the India plate as
frozen,
it interacts with the Eurasian plate.
enduring.
The resulting scriptures. The
Yet
user wants a
Everest is
transcription
not
for an
old in
8-second
the way
video
the
clip
canyon
based
is
on a
old.
provided prompt, video description.
It is still becoming. Deep in the past, an ocean separated two continents. The floor of that ocean held shells, sediment, layers of limestone. Then, very slowly, India moved north. There was no crash, no explosion, just pressure. Steady, relentless, invisible. Rock folded, layers bent upward, and mountains began to rise. Even now, Everest continues to grow, just a few millimeters each year, so slowly that no human could ever feel it. At the summit, scientists have found fossils of marine life, a reminder that even the highest places on Earth once rested beneath the sea. Mountains are not permanent. They are part of a long breath, in and out, of the planet itself. Volcanoes, Earth's quiet fire. Beneath the surface, heat slowly gathers. Magma moves, not with urgency, but with persistence. Most of the time, it remains hidden. When a volcano erupts, it seems dramatic. But for Earth, it is simply releasing pressure. In places like Hawaii, magma rises gently from deep below. Layer upon layer, it builds islands, grain by grain. Elsewhere, magma escapes along the edges of tectonic plates, creating arcs of volcanoes, circling oceans. These eruptions once shaped Earth's atmosphere, released water vapor, carbon dioxide, the gases life would later depend on. Volcanoes destroy, but they also create new land, fertile soil, new beginnings, fire and renewal, moving together at the planet's own pace. Geysers, geothermal breath. In a few rare places, water and heat meet in balance. Deep underground, water seeps downward. It warms. Pressure builds. Patiently. When the pressure can no longer be held, the water rises. Not violently, but rhythmically. A geyser erupts, then rests, then waits again. These cycles can last minutes or hours. They follow rules set by physics and guided by time. Each eruption is a reminder that Earth's energy does not always roar. Sometimes it whispers. Closing, a living planet falls asleep. As night deepens, Earth continues its quiet work. Rivers flow unseen. Mountains rise too slowly to notice. Heat drifts upward from the depths. Nothing is hurried. Nothing is wasted. The geological wonders of our planet are not accidents. They are the result of patience, measured across ages. As you rest, remember that the ground beneath you is alive, moving gently, steadily, calmly. Earth has been shaping itself for billions of years. And tonight, it continues, as it always has. Slowly, silently, endlessly. Good night.